Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Save the World token. So this is super easy. So as you can see, PooCoin, this is the chart of it. It has a massive spike right here. And if you want to buy it, I'm going to show you step by step an easy tutorial how to do this. The first step is make sure you use Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave or Microsoft Edge, because we have to install this wallet which is called MetaMask. So MetaMask is an extension. You can go ahead and hit install MetaMask for Chrome. I've already done that, and once you've done it, go to the extensions, hit MetaMask, and here you want to create your account. So if you created your account already, yeah, that's great. Then it will look like this, Ethereum mainnet, but you want to add something. You want to add the Binance Smart Chain. So you want to go to custom RPC and do Binance Smart Chain for the network name, this for the RPC URL, and all of this information I have in the description below. So you don't have to you can just copy and paste it from the description. So just do it like this, BC scan, BNB56, hit save, and then go to networks again, and change to Binance Smart Chain. Boom. This is how it looks right now with the BNB coins over here. So in order to buy the Save the World tokens, we first have to deposit some BNB into this wallet to later swap it to Save the World. Okay, for that we are going to be using Binance. So go to binance.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can create it through the link in the description down below, and you even get 20% lower fees, which is great. Once you're on Binance, go to wallet, field and spot right there, and then it will look like this, and find BNB. You can just type it in like this, hit withdraw, and we are going to withdraw BNB to the MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and paste your wallet in here, address in here, go to MetaMask, copy the account, paste it in here, and boom, it automatically goes to the right network. And now we can enter in the amount. So let's say 2 as an example. It has a small fee, as you can see. When you hit withdraw, it comes within seconds into your MetaMask. So I don't have enough balance, but if you hit withdraw, it comes here within seconds. So once it's here, we are going to change it to Save the World. In order to do that, we have to use a website called PancakeSwap. So let me type it in again. pancakeswap.finance. That's the URL we are going to be using. Then go to the left and hit trade, exchange, and we are going to exchange it to Save the World. First connect the wallet, MetaMask, and boom, automatically connected. Select currency, but if you type Save the World, it's not here. So you want to go to PooCoin, copy this part of the link. It starts with 0 and ends with E. Go to PancakeSwap again, paste it in here, and this may take a couple of moments. This doesn't work like really fast. Let's wait till it comes. You can try it again if you want. So yeah, oh, there it is. Save found by address, and this is the Save the World token. So let's say you want to do 1 BNB. This is the amount of Save the World that you can buy, and it will be directly deposited into your MetaMask wallet, which is great. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.